The time value of money means that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future because it can be invested and grow over time. Ever wondered why $1 today can be worth so much more in the future? What if I told you that understanding this one financial principle can help you retire early, become debt-free, and grow your wealth faster than you ever imagined? Stay tuned, because I'm about to break down the secret that rich people have been using for centuries: the time value of money. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prince Sam Official, your go-to channel for practical wealth building tips. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing financial concept that you absolutely need to understand: the time value of money. Whether you're trying to grow your investments, pay off debt, or make better financial decisions, mastering this principle will give you the power to accelerate your wealth building journey. So grab a pen, because this one's going to be packed with value. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future wealth building strategies. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and achieving financial freedom, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Join our community of wealth builders and let's get rich together. 1. The basics of time value of money. Let's start by breaking down the basic idea of the time value of money. In simple terms, it's the concept that money available now is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its earning potential. Why? Because you can invest it today and it'll grow over time thanks to interest or returns from investments. 2. Compound interest and how it works. One of the main reasons money today is more valuable is compound interest. That's when your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest on top of itself. For example, if you invest $1,000 today at 10% interest, after 1 year, you'll have $1,100. The next year, you'll earn interest on $1,100, not just the original $1,000. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth. 3. Real-life example: investing early versus investing late. Now let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you start investing $200 a month at age 25. By age 65, you could have over $500,000 saved, thanks to compound interest. But if you wait until you're 35 to start, you'd only have about $250,000. The difference? 10 years of missed time to grow your money. 4. Applying TVM to debt repayment. The time value of money also works in reverse when it comes to debt. The faster you pay off debt, the more you save in interest. Let's say you owe $10,000 at a 5% interest rate. The longer you take to pay it off, the more interest you'll pay over time. That's why making extra payments can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. 5. Using TVM to set financial goals. By understanding the time value of money, you can set smarter financial goals. Want to retire with $1 million? You can work backward using the time value of money to figure out how much you need to save and invest each month to hit that goal by a certain age. 6. Inflation and TVM. Don't forget about inflation. Over time, inflation erodes the purchasing power of money, which means $1 today won't be able to buy as much in the future. Understanding the time value of money helps you see why investing is important. It helps you stay ahead of inflation and grow your wealth. So, there you have it, the time value of money explained in simple terms. By understanding this concept, you can make smarter financial decisions, whether it's investing early, paying off debt, or planning for future financial goals. Remember, time is your most valuable asset when it comes to money. The earlier you start, the bigger your rewards. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What are your thoughts on the time value of money? Leave a comment below. Let's get a conversation going. Also, check out the links in the description for more resources to help you master your personal finances. And as always, subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more wealth building content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. Stay focused, stay wealthy, and see you in the next video.